Hello viewers, welcome to the Betikrame Tech YouTube channel. Today I will show you how we can maintenance and replace the discrete input output card of a gas turbine manufactured by GE. This is our gas turbine control panel. Here different cards and sometimes different cards damage, and then we have to replace the card to run the gas turbine smoothly. Here you can see the damaged card. Here it's different connection, and here is the outside and communication pin, and also here is, you see, two layer card. Here we can dismantle this card and to find out what's its problem. If we can identify that the power supply card is damaged, then we can replace it from available another card.
At first we have to open the screw. Here is different screw. We will open this screw. We need to open this screw. You see, this is the card. This is discrete input card here, and this is its part number. You see, its part number. We have opened its cover at first. Now we'll open its screw. Here is 4 numbers screw. We have to open this screw. Open this screw, and now we will dismantle this card. Here is 2 connector. You see, 2 connector. We have to open this. You see, this is the control unit. This is control unit card, and this one is power supply card. Power supply will available by this card. Power supply card maximum times damage, and if we can change this card from another damaged card or another input or output card, then this card can be repaired. Sometimes, suppose this is discrete input output card, maybe this card is not available, but we have another card like another type card, and many times we followed that the like this card, the power supply card is same, so we can change from another available card this power supply card, and then we can use the complete unit. Just we have to open this here, the 4 screw, to dismantle this, and then open this card and replace this card from another new complete card, and then again insert this card, because the connector is same for the all cards. So in this way we can change or repair our card for emergency period if this card is not available. Many times we followed that here is some diode and also resistor. This is different type. This electronics parts is damaged, but if we change this electronic equipment, then the card may be okay, but it is sensitive, highly sensitive, so we do not use this. You see, this is the cable connection, and also here is 2-line connection. You see, there is power supply connection here. Here is power supply connection. You see, and also here is LAN connection, and this is for communication. this card is too much complicated, we can repair or change this power supply card as well as this card. Now how we can assemble this card? Just like here is two connector, you see, this is two connector, and here is, this is male and this is female. Just you see, you pressed here and it is okay. You see, this is okay. Now we have to screw all the screw here and then after this. Okay, now we will screw here. In this way we can screw all this.
In this way, we have to tighten all these screws.
Here is two layer. You see inside this two layer card. This is one and this is another one.
From the server unit, at first we have to find out which card is damaged. Then we have to replace that one. So to identify the damaged card, we have to see the alarms, and then after finding the alarm, we will change this card from the panel. We need to open the power connection and communication cable. Then we have to install the new one and then connecting first the power supply connection. If everything is okay, then open the power supply and after connect its LAN connection and communication cable, then again power supply available. After connecting the power supply from the gas turbine server, we have to reset the panel at first. Faster reset, then we will find that everything is okay. In this way we can change the faulty discrete card or gas turbine unit. Then we will find that alarm goes out and everything is okay. Thanks to all.